Hello children, hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss Class 4 Computer Science Chapter 5 more about MSW logo. Today we are going to learn about logo. Logo language is derived from another programming language called Lisp. Logo word itself is derived from the Greek word logos. It means word, reason or plan. It was designed in 1967 by Vali Farusik, Simmer Papert, Cynthia Solomon and Daniel J. Bobrow. Logo are basically two types, UCB logo and MSW logo. Let's start logo. MSW logo is a basic computer language used to draw figures, do simple calculations and to type text. We can say logo is a programming language that is very simple and easy to learn. It is used for teaching students and children how to program a computer. To start MSW logo, following steps are: first you click on the start button, then click on all programs. One dialog box will appear. There you will see Microsoft Windows logo. Click on Microsoft Windows logo folder. There you can see Microsoft Windows logo icon. Click on that. A window with the title MSW logo screen appears. The logo window is divided into two parts. First, main screen and second one, commander window. The main screen is the blank space in the middle of the logo window. It is the area where you can draw pictures. It is also known as the graphics screen. Commander window. This is the smaller area under the main screen used for typing commands. We can run the commands by pressing the enter key. Commander window divided into two sections, command input box and recall list box. Turtle. Turtle is a small triangle which is normally located in the middle of the logo screen. It has two parts, head and tail. Let us learn the logo command which you have learned in the previous class. FD, forward. This command moves the turtle in the forward direction. BK, backward. The command moves the turtle in the backward direction. RT, right. This command turns the head of the turtle to the right side. LT, left. This command turns the head of the turtle to the left side. CS, clear screen. This command erases everything present in the graphics area and brings back to its home position, that is the center of the screen. CT, clear text. This command is used to clear text in the commander window. Clean command erases everything present in the graphics area but the turtle remains on its last position. Home. This command brings the turtle back to its home position, that is the center of the screen. There is some example how you will write the command. You will write like that: forward 60 or FD 60. That means turtle go forward 60 steps. 60 is the unit. Same as RT90 means turtle turn in right direction 90 degree. LT90, that means turtle turn left direction 90 degree. Back 60, that means backward 60, means go back 60 steps. Clear screen, that means erases all drawings. Now advanced primitive in MSW logo. PU, pen up. Pen up primitive is used to lift up the turtle's pen. After giving this command, the turtle moves but without drawing a line. PD, pen down. Pen down primitive is used to put the pen down. After giving this command, the turtle again starts drawing a line while it moves. HT, hide turtle. It is used to hide the turtle on the screen. The short form of hide turtle primitive is HT. ST, show turtle. Show turtle primitive is used to bring back the turtle on the screen. Set pen size is used to set the size of the pen, and print command is used to display a number, a word, or a sentence. Pen erase is used to rub off a line or a part of the line. Set pen color primitive is used to change the color of the turtle's pen. The short form of set pen color is SETPC, set PC. There is the list of code. Let us consider an example. To draw a green line of 80 units, we will write set PC 10. 10 is the code of green color. FT80. The turtle draw a green line of 80 units. Reminder, you have to give space between set PC and 10 unit. There is two ways to write the print command. You will write print, then double inverted comma, then hello. You will get result as hello on the screen. Another way, you will write print and within a big bracket you will write numbers and result you will get on the screen. Thank you children and keep learning.